Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Are you tired of Microsoft Edge opening your PDF files by default? Well, today I'm going to show you how to set Adobe Acrobat Reader DC as your default PDF viewer so you can enjoy all the advanced features for viewing, annotating, and editing PDFs easily and seamlessly. Before we dive in, let's quickly talk about why Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is the better choice. Unlike Edge, which is mainly a web browser, Adobe Reader is specifically designed for PDFs. It gives you all the tools you need for highlighting, commenting, annotating, and filling out forms. You can even use digital signatures, advanced printing, and editing features that Edge simply doesn't fully support. By switching to Adobe Reader DC, you get full control over your PDF documents and a smoother experience every single time you open a file. All right, let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, find any PDF file on your desktop or in your folders. By default, when you double-click it, it probably opens in Microsoft Edge. You can read your PDF here, but we want it to open in Adobe Reader DC from now on. Next, right-click on the PDF file you want to change and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window, under the General tab, look for the section labeled Opens With. As expected, it probably says Microsoft Edge. Click on Change to select a new program. A list of apps will appear. If you see Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, click on it. If it's not visible, don't worry. Scroll down and you'll find more options. Depending on your version of Windows, you can also choose Browse Apps in Microsoft Store or choose another app on your PC to locate the program manually. I'll select Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, and once it's highlighted, click Set Default. Back in the Properties window, click Apply, then OK to save your changes. Notice how the PDF icon now matches Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Double-click the file again, and there you have it. It opens in Adobe Reader DC instead of Edge. You can scroll through your document, check the annotations, and confirm everything looks perfect. And that's it. From now on, every PDF you open will automatically launch in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC, giving you access to all the tools and features you need. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more easy tech tips, Windows tutorials, and productivity tricks. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.